Hey, what is up? It's Tech Drift here with a brand new video for you guys today. Today's video, I want to show you a couple things you can check when buying and purchasing an iPhone to see if it's real or not. Couple things I would recommend. First thing first, iPhone has an iPhone feel. That's one thing just by looking at it. When you go purchase a phone from someone or somewhere on Marketplace, whether it be Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, or in person with somebody, you always want to check the serial number. If you go into settings, you also want to go into general and you want to check the IMEI number. Over here, IMEI number is very important. You want to check that IMEI number and you want to see if it's if it's a real IMEI number. You can always check that by going into to the browser right here and then searching up on Apple. It's Apple serial number lookup. As you can see here, if you go to Apple serial number lookup, you can check if it's a real phone. Nowadays, there's a lot of dupes out there that even clones serial numbers. So even if you look at it and it comes up as real, you still want to check a couple other stuff. I would highly recommend checking the camera and see if there's no lag or anything. You don't want to be like me where you purchase a fake phone. I didn't purchase a fake phone. I know someone that has purchased a fake phone, and these are some things you want to look up. So this you want to copy the serial number. I just copied the IMEI number, so you want to copy. There's a serial number here. If you want to go into, if we go into copy this serial number. Okay, so as you can see, you copy that serial number, and then you want to type, and then you want to paste it here to the website, and you want to go check it out. And see, as you can see, it's an iPhone 12. It shows you everything. Everything is good in here. So that's another good method you would want to use is camera. Make sure the camera is a good quality. As you can see here, this camera, this is a new update, so it's kind of glossy feel. You want to make sure everything checks out. Also, make sure the App Store, make sure you can log into the App Store. So what they do is they use fake phones, and it's an Android. It has Play Store. That's a dead giveaway if it has Play Store. You want to make sure you turn off the phone. Make sure the Apple logo comes up, not the Android logo or something. You want to make sure it feels solid. It doesn't feel like plastic. That's another thing. So some of these are signs that you want to make sure. I think I covered all of the signs to see if it's a real or a fake. But the main things I covered, check the serial number, check the IMEI number. IMEI numbers could be, they could be fake too, so always be wary of that. Make sure you meet someone at the Apple Store is the best, even if they don't insist on meeting there. It's a dead giveaway if they don't want to meet you at an Apple Store. If they're selling a real phone, they would, of course, want to go at the Apple Store with you. They don't have no problem, no issue with that. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.